Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel PG Dr. Sindranju. Today's important topic is Glasgow, score or scale. You will keep in mind that it is very delicious topic for PG exam. So soaked up in your limbic system so that can't forget. I am showing you how easy GCS to remember simple trick or mnemonics. Glasgow Coma scale, it determines the level of consciousness of a patient having traumatic brain injury or drug overdose or stroke or encephalopathy, or also called it severity of traumatic brain injury. This includes EMB mnemonics for such is electronic voting machine. E for eye opening having a score 4. M here voting, that means V for verbal response having 5 score. V in Roman red letter, V for 5. So easily remember having 5 score. And M for machine, that means M for motor response having a score 6. Glasgow Coma score is E plus M plus V is equal to maximum having value 15 and minimum value having 3, and maximum 15, that means patient is responsive, and if 3 minimum completely unresponsive, that means in coma stage. Score, if the score is 3 to 8, that means severe head injury, and 9 to 12 indicates moderate head injury, and 13 to 14 having mild head injury, and 15 that means normal or responsive. Many books written here 13 to 15 and having mild head injury, but I think 14 till 14 having mild head injury, and 15 is normal, so it will be 13 to 14, not 15. Okay, let us start in brief everything so that you can't forget. Eye opening having 4 criteria, that means first unresponsive or none in every eye opening, motor response and verbal response. You have to remember that none value indicate score having 1. Okay, next to pen having a score 2, to speech or verbal is 3, and spontaneous or alert having a score 4. So you have to remember like that: unresponsive, pen, speech, word is given in the question, so you remember word like speech or verbal, pen, or unresponsive or none. Okay, mnemonics for such is no pen so alert, no that means none, pen that means pain, eye opening with pen stimulus, so that means speech, and alert that means alert. So no having 1, pen having a score 2, so having 3, and alert having 4 score. Next one is motor response. Motor response, already told, none value having 1 score in every E and V and M. Okay, motor response None indicate value or score 1. Extension response having value 2. Abnormal flexion having value 3. Withdrawal 4. Localizes 5. And obeys 6. I am already told that you have remember word withdrawal, abnormal flexion, extension response, none, localize, OB. So the trick to remember in the motor response is next exam came in 2022. So trick is like that. Next flexed with local objective. Okay, N for none, EXT for extension response. Flexed, flexion, with that means withdrawal, local that means localize, and objective that means obey. Okay, you have to remember trick so that you response correct. Next one is verbal response. Verbal response, none having a score 1, incomprehensible sound having a score 2, inappropriate word having 3, confused having 4, oriented having 5 score. Mnemonics for such is no income in a confused office. No that means none. Income that means incomprehensible sound. In a is common word that means inappropriate word. Confused, already told, confused. Office that means oriented. Okay, this is the trick to remember GCS. Many questions asked and a student confused what will be the score. So I am giving you objective sum so that you can respond easily and correct. First of all, the question given the Glasgow Coma scale assess all of the following parameter except I have already told EMV, that means eye opening, motor response and verbal response. Here question asking about accept. So right answer will be memory. Okay. Next question is Glasgow Coma scale evaluates what evaluates? Motor response, gag reflex, verbal response? No, gag reflex is not included in that. So this will be rejected. Next one is the eye opening. Yes. Motor response. Yes. Verbal response. Yes. So right answer. Next one is eye opening, pupillary response. No, this is not right answer. Next one is the verbal response. Yes. Pupillary response. No. Motor response. Yes. So right answer will be eye opening, motor response and verbal response. Next one question. What is the minimum score possible on the Glasgow Coma scale? Okay, I have told 3 to 15. 0 rejected, 1 rejected, 2 rejected. So right answer will be 3. Next question. What is the maximum score possible on Glasgow Coma scale? Maximum. Asking about the maximum. Maximum I have already told 3 to 15. 15 will be maximum. So right answer will be B. Next question. A Glasgow Coma scale score of 8 or below is indication of. I have already told that 3, sorry, 3 to 8, that means severe head injury. Okay, and 9 to 12, moderate, and 13 to 14, mild. So 8 or below, that means 8 or below, severe head injury. Right answer will be B. Next is a Glasgow Coma scale score of 9 to 12 is indication of, already told, it will be moderate, 9 to 12. Next one, Glasgow Coma scale score of 13 to 15 is indication of, already told, mild head injury. Next question is, a 12-month-old is struck by a car while in his mother's arms. On arrival, the infant is moving all his extremities spontaneously. That means abnormal flexion. Okay, open eye to pain, that means 2 eye response, it is motor response abnormal flexion, that means having a score 3, and crying with incomprehensible sound, that means verbal response is 2, that means 2 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, that means 7. Answer will be 7. Next question. A patient who open his eyes in response to speech, make no verbal response but withdrawal from pain, has Glasgow Coma score. Here, eye opening in response to speech, that means having a score 3, make no verbal response, that means verbal response is none, having a score 1, but withdrawal from pain, withdrawal, that means having a score 4, that means 3 plus 1 plus 4, having value 8. Right answer will be this. This is the main explanation and easy to remember. Many mnemonics are given on the YouTube, but this is best mnemonics to remember GCS score. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.